Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the canopy glass on this Frigidaire Range Vent Hood, you will need a 2.5 mm Allen wrench. Unthread the 4 mounting screws securing the canopy glass using the 2.5 mm Allen wrench. With the screws unthreaded, have an assistant help you to remove the old glass. Before you install the new canopy glass, confirm the hood gasket is intact and aligned. Position the new glass. Thread the 4 screws to secure. Avoid over-tightening the screws.